No, I love that. The ability for the cameras to see coking and scaling and the other aspects inside there. Why is that important to the customer? Do they have downtime? Is there a potential of a safety issue?
Oh yeah, definitely. So it's that when that tube gets over its critical temperature, whatever that might be, they have a possibility of blowing that tube, which will cause a fire, rupture, and that's huge cost to the refineries.
Have you ever heard, like, what could something like this cost? Is this like per foot of a tube that has to be replaced, or is there an estimated cost on if a refinery actually goes down and has a catastrophic failure?
I would believe it would be in the millions of dollars because when you lose one tube, everything has to be shut down.